topic today is North Atlantic collapse, or we call it as the Atlantic Meridional Overturning Circulation. Oceans absorb most of the solar energy reaching the Earth. Heat from the equatorial region is passed thousands of kilometers towards the poles before releasing much of it back to the atmosphere. We know that everywhere on the Earth's surface, the insulation is not the same. Oceans also regulate and drives weather, determining rainfall, drought, and floods. It is said about 83% of the global carbon dioxide is circulated by marine waters. As the excessive heat and energy warms the ocean, heat received on the Earth's surface. Due to the heat, the temperature of the Earth's surface varies from one region to another. The change in temperature is leading to unparalleled cascading effects. What are the effects? Melting of ice, rise in the sea level, marine heat waves, and ocean acidification. The Atlantic Meridional Overturning circulation is at risk of imminent collapse. This has been in the news since past 1 year. AMOC, or the Atlantic Meridional Overturning circulation, of which Gulf Stream is a part. This works as a giant global conveyor belt. What does it do? Taking warm waters from the tropics towards the far east North Atlantic to east coast of North America and Europe, where the water is cool. As we know, in the higher latitudes, the temperature is low, or due to heat loss. In the higher latitude, the water temperature is low, it becomes saline. Remember, cool water is dense and it is more saline. Being dense, it sinks deep into the ocean, which is known as downwelling. This release of heat helps to keep Europe and North America warm to considerable extent as otherwise it would be. Now the cold water which is dense, flowing downwards, where it redistributes heat and the nutrients in the ocean. Cold water carries nutrients also along with it. When water resurfaces, it starts getting warm, completing the cycle of AMOC, that is the Atlantic Meridional Overturning circulation. As the ocean heats up due to global warming, it has resulted in melting of ice. Melting of ice, more melting of ice. So, more fresh water flows in the ocean, which reduces the water density and making it less able to sink. The salinity also decreases. It is when water becomes more fresh due to melting ice, density decreases. Excessive heat will lead to more warming of ocean water. So in both the cases, it will lead to stopping of the conveyor belt, which is the excess heat is transported from the tropics to the higher latitudes where the temperature is cold, and the cold water is transported towards the lower latitude where the temperature is high. The impact of AMOC's collapse could be catastrophic in North Atlantic region. Some parts of Europe might see temperature rise up to 30 degrees Celsius over a century, which the scientists or the researchers have predicted. Countries in the southern hemisphere could see increased warming, which will result in Amazon wetland to convert into savanna-like ecosystem. Wet and dry season will play changes in the pattern of precipitation as well. And it will also result in weakening of monsoon circulation in South Asia, and its direct impact will be on agriculture, water sources, which will this will also include variation in climate. That's all for the day. I hope you have understood it. Do hit the like and the subscribe button. Thank you.